YouTube, what's up? MartyBlendz back with another tutorial, and today we're going to go over a mid drop. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so. Now let's get on to the video. You want to start off by getting your even parts along the parietal ridge. With your trimmer of choice, create your first baseline. In this case, I decided to mix it up and form my fade into a V shape towards the occipital area. Take off all the hair left underneath. You now want to shave off all the stubble. This step will actually make a difference when it comes to the contrast in the fade. Next up, open up the lever and go up about a ½ inch all around. Close up the lever now and hit that baseline halfway through the guide. Then open up the lever as you go up until you're at a full lever open. Before we go further on, I just want to thank you guys for the love and support that you guys have been showing. I really appreciate it. Now let's get on with the video. If you manage to get this bottom guideline out, I'm sure the rest of the fade will look clean. If that bottom guideline doesn't seem to come off, you can use your trimmer to soften it out. With the 1.5 open, go up about a full inch, but don't go in too deep. Using the half guard halfway open, create a ½ inch guideline. Open up with the same guard and go up about a ½ inch. Slap on the number 2 and debulk excess tips by going up and flicking a tad bit. I now use the number 1 to make sure everything is blended perfectly. Finally, open up the lever and hit that last bottom baseline you see. Just know that the more corners you use, the more detailed the cut will look. Guys, if you do happen to like these guards, they're available at my website, MartyBlendz.com. When styling hair, know what's best for your client. Here's the final product for today's video. If you did learn anything from me, smash that like button and hit that bell notification so you can stay notified when I drop a video. That's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz and I'm out. Peace.